Welcome to Chapman's Peak Estate. Here, the promise of coastal living transforms into something truly extraordinary. Set against the dramatic Noordhoek coastline, this exclusive gated estate invites you to secure one of 12 bespoke residences in one of South Africa's most breathtaking natural settings. Here, every stand offers the freedom to shape a space that reflects your vision, blending modern luxury with the serene beauty of untouched landscapes. This is more than a place to live. It's a lifestyle, defined by peace, adventure, and endless possibility. Surfing, hiking, and exploring local markets. Chapman's Peak Estate is a sanctuary for those who crave both tranquility and vibrant outdoor living. With the beach only moments from your doorstep and the renowned Cape Point Vineyards, every day becomes an experience to savor. Begin shaping a life that mirrors the beauty and possibility of the landscape around you. Welcome to Serenity. Welcome to Chapman's Peak Estate.